Hi, I'm Debbie, and it's day 26. And can you tell I have a helper today? Let me see if you can find him. Can you say hi?
Hi, my name's Althea.
Yeah, he's going to help you again today. He's a good helper. The other brother is somewhere around downstairs, and he said he'll come up when he's ready. I don't know what he's getting ready doing, huh? Hey, where are you going? Okay, we're going to have ham and 2 eggs for breakfast. Then we're going to have salad and then crab salad. And then we're going to make spaghetti sauce with spaghetti squash. And then have cheese. I always love when they want to help me and they're in the middle of cheese, turkey, nuts, and carrots. Okay? He's ready for what?
To come up.
Ready to come up? Get out of the way. Alright. For breakfast, we're going to have ham. I usually make the ham in the micro grill. You can also do the eggs. So once you do the ham, you can put the eggs, crack the eggs, put them on, and then cover it in the casserole thing. Or you can do omelets. Nahaku, please, honey. So that's breakfast.
What the heck is that?
That's squash.
That's where squash comes from.
That looks good, huh?
Where squash comes
Okay,
from?
the first thing we want to start is we're going to fry.
Where does squash
We
come
are going
from?
to fry Nahaku. We are going to fry hamburger in the microwave. This is the stat cooker, and one of the things you can do is you can warm up several different leftovers at one time, or you can make, you can cook hamburger in it. The thing that's, yeah, this has a strainer. So all you have to do is take the hamburger.
I take one for dinner.
For dinner.
Mm-hmm. This is for dinner.
Mm-hmm. Spaghetti and meat sauce.
You don't want to cook the rubber.
No, we don't want to cook the rubber.
It'll be gross.
But we do want to break the hamburger up. You see how it's all in one big piece? And then make sure they don't have toys the next time we start. So usually you put it in for about 3 minutes, covered. And this is good because instead of frying it and getting grease all over the place, you just cook it in there. Doesn't that look good? Mm-hmm.
That's my mom cooked that for us.
Who did?
Mom.
Oh. And then this is the imitation crab meat. So we're going to cut that up. And we're going to find a spoon for you so you can help mix it. Is there a spoon in here? Where's all Grandma's spoons? Okay, maybe use this to mix it with.
So, where?
In the bowl. We're going to put...
Are you going to squish it?
Smush it all up. You're good at smushing it. And then you put some mayonnaise in there.
Huh? Mayonnaise? I like mayonnaise in my sandwich a lot.
A lot of mayonnaise on your sandwich?
What?
Whoa, that's good, huh? Okay, and then we'll put some mayonnaise in.
Remember the last time Hinano cleaned a mess?
And that Hinano's doing what?
Remember the last time Hinano cleaned a mess? That was
Okay. Now you can mix that for Grandma.
Chum, chum,
Try not to use tons of mayonnaise. Does that look good, Hokia? You see yourself in the camera?
Yes.
Yeah, is that fun?
I got another owie on my knee.
You're doing a good job. And of course,
Owie on my knee.
oh, careful.
But I felt that in school.
And then we have grapes.
Chop them all.
We have grapes. You want a grape? Is that a good grape? Yeah. And then we'll have cheese. Cheese. When he came up, he said, "Remember, Grandma, the last time I was here? We did a video, I had grapes in my mouth." He remembered. And then he told me when he saw the turkey. What did you tell me? Are we going to make what?
Nothing.
We're going to make ham and cheese roll-ups.
No. Roll it.
This is crab salad. This is the imitation crab, so it's not expensive. Tastes good. Do you want to keep mixing it, or are you done?
I see it. Looks like.
Yeah, it's almost cooked. It's almost cooked. You can see. So we'll break it up a little bit more. For some reason, the store only had 1 pound packs of hamburger, which is okay.
I need water.
Hurry up back, okay?
Okay.
So we have tossed salad, the regular tossed salad, and I'll add crab salad to it. You're gonna have nuts. I'm afraid to look. What do you have? Am I in your way? Oh, you have your motorcycle.
The last time Papa helped me build it.
Oh, that sounds like fun. Okay, so we have our crab salad, we have our grapes, we have our egg. When we have eggs and ham for breakfast, you can use the grapes for a snack later on if you want. We'll put some turkey in here. Turkey is lean meat.
Yummy.
You can pretty much have unlimited amount. Oh, that's good, huh? You gonna be on a diet with Grandma? You gonna be on a diet with Grandma? No. No, he likes to eat pizza like Grandma. Where is my carrot? They're right in front of me. I'll put some carrots in here. You like carrots too, huh?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Grandma always has carrots and cheese. If I tell you, when you're eating grapes and carrots and cheese, they're going to eat grapes and carrots and cheese. When you're eating cheeseburgers from McDonald's and French fries, what do you like? Cheeseburger or French fries from McDonald's. Okay. This is cooked.
Again?
It's cooked. Look, it's all cooked.
Again?
Again. Okay, the best part of this is all the fat and grease and everything is not in here. We put it in this one. And I'll tell you, this has a lot of fat and grease. Oh, can you see it? All the fat and grease. I don't want to tilt it because I'll end up spilling it. There's a lot of fat and grease in there.
I have to do something to you, Grandma.
No, don't. Thank you. Uh-oh.
Oh!
And then I got organic olive oil, basil, and garlic spaghetti sauce.
What is this?
Mostly because it's on sale. Now how cool? That's not helping, honey. So we'll put some sauce in with the hamburger.
Sorry.
Try and get the sauce that doesn't have sugar added. So look and it'll say no sugar added. And then we have spaghetti sauce. Mmm, looks good, huh?
I'm not going to see you forever. Only the last dance.
What?
The last show.
I'm almost done.
I know. I'm not going to see you for 20 days.
Okay, and then the spaghetti
Oh,
squash.
Nano's back.
Uh-oh.
This
This is my first time making spaghetti squash. And it looks like spaghetti. But it is squash. I don't know how to make it in the microwave yet. I didn't want to try. So I roasted it. And that's the spaghetti squash. And you can put spaghetti sauce on it. It looks really good. We'll have to see if it tastes like, I don't know if it tastes like spaghetti, because I think spaghetti doesn't really taste like anything except what you put on it. That's what I'm thinking. That's pretty good. Spaghetti sauce, squash and spaghetti sauce. Hey, no pasta. You warm it up, eat it now. Whatever. You see how easy it is? Okay, I think we're done. Day 26 out of 30. Only a few more days left. We'll see if I lost my 8 to 10 pounds. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.